Okay, this is a brief tutorial to show you how to get onto Blackboard and get to our class. The first thing we want to do is we want to fire up our browser. So I'm using Internet Explorer, and once the browser is running, we're going to click up in the address bar and we're going to type www.jefferson.kctcs.edu, and that's going to load the home page for JCTC. At the top of the page, you're going to see a series of hyperlinks. Okay, apply now, student self-service, user account center, email, and then there's one for Blackboard. Let's go ahead and click on Blackboard. That's going to bring us to a login screen to get into the Blackboard system, and we're going to use our user credential for school. Same thing you use to get into the computers at the school. So once we get into the Blackboard homepage, you should see your available course list. It may be down at the bottom. You may have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and you should see a course list. And you should see OST105, Intro to Info Systems. So if we click on that, it's going to bring up the home page for our class. You'll see we've got announcements, and this is a customizable screen, so you can do with it what you want. But you'll see our announcements, and on the left-hand side, you're going to see a series of hyperlinks. So you've got a hyperlink for labs, for in-class assignments. You've got a hyperlink for homework, for your homework assignments, exams when we have those, your PowerPoint project. A lot of this I'll talk about in class when we meet again. But if you're trying to get to your first assignment that I just posted for Essential Computer Concepts and File Management, if you click on the homework hyperlink, you're going to see that assignment EC Win FM, and it's multiple choice true false, and it's 100 questions. So you can click on this to begin it. Okay, it's going to act like it's a test, but really it's not a test. It's just an assignment. It's just the format that it's allowing me to put it out there for you to get. Now this thing allows 2 attempts. You're going to see this allows multiple attempts here. My suggestion is that you print off the test or the assignment, and you go ahead and answer it kind of at your leisure, and then you come back to Blackboard, come back to the same screen, and you upload your answers. Okay? So once you've uploaded all of your answers, then you can hit the submit button, save and submit, and it'll tell you how you did. And then if you missed anything, it'll tell you which ones you got wrong. It's not going to tell you the right answer, but you can go back, find the right answer, and then come back and submit a second time to try to improve your grade. The only downside is you have to submit all of your answers again. Okay, but if you just close this window, it won't count as one of your attempts. Okay, it says leave this page, that's fine, you leave the page. Okay, so that should help you get into Blackboard. Then if you want to log out of the system, on the left hand or right hand side of the screen, there's a little round button up here by your name, and you can click log out.